In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Confluence. Whether you're documenting a project, writing meeting notes, or creating a knowledge base, knowing how to quickly add a new page is one of the first and most useful skills in Confluence. I'll walk you through the basic methods, explain what you're seeing on screen, and give you some small tips so this becomes second nature. Let's start from a typical Confluence screen, where you can see the main navigation at the top and the space sidebar on the left. The simplest way to create a new page is to use the Create button at the top of the screen. Look toward the upper area of the page and find the button labeled Create, usually with a plus icon. Go ahead and click that. When you click Create, Confluence will open a new page editor. In many setups, it will ask you to choose what type of content you want to create. From that list, select Page. This tells Confluence that you want a regular blank page, not a blog post or a template-based item. After you click Page, you'll be taken into the editing view where you can add a title, write content, and format it however you like. Now there's an alternative way to do the same thing, and this one is especially handy when you're already focused on a specific space or a specific section in the sidebar. Look at the left-hand side of your screen, where you see the content tree or page list. This is the sidebar that shows all the pages in your current space. Beside that content list, you should see a small plus icon. This plus sign is another way to create a page directly within that section. Click on that plus icon next to the sidebar. Just like before, Confluence will ask what you want to create. Again, choose Page. This method is helpful because it usually places your new page directly under the section you were looking at, helping you keep your content organized without extra steps. Once your new page is open, you can start by giving it a clear title, then add your text, images, and any other content you need. When you're happy with it, remember to publish or save the page so others on your team can view it. And that's all you need to know to add a new page in Confluence using either the top Create button or the plus